haven't slept at all in days. It's been so long since we've talked, and I have been here many times. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. What can I do to make you love me? What can I do to make you care? What can I say to make you feel this? What can I do to get you there? There's only so much I can take, and I've just gotta let it go. And who knows, I might feel better, yeah, yeah, if I don't try and I don't hope. What can I do to make you love me? What can I do to make you care? What can I say to make you feel this? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What can I do to get you there? No more waiting, no more care. No more, no more fighting, no more trying. Maybe there's nothing more to say, and in a funny way I'm calm, because the power is not mine. I'm just gonna let it fly. What can I do to make